Pay attention when sharpening kitchen knives to make the blades sharper. Today we'll share a special technique from a knife sharpener. Take this kitchen knife as an example. You can clearly see that the blade has become very dull. Whether cutting vegetables or paper, it's very ineffective. First, prepare 3 different sharpening stones. Place them in a container and pour in enough water to ensure the stones are evenly submerged. Soak for a few minutes. After soaking, take out the 240 grit sharpening stone and secure it to the base. Start sharpening the kitchen knife. To ensure a consistent angle between the blade and the sharpening stone, you can prepare a plastic tube. Cut a piece the length of the knife blade from top to bottom, then fix this plastic tube to your work surface. Cut a groove along the middle of the tube and refine both sides of the groove with a tool knife. When finished, you can easily place this plastic tube on the back of the knife blade, holding it firmly. This helps maintain a consistent angle between the knife blade and the sharpening stone, even when placing the knife on the table. Make sure both sides of the knife blade have the same angle. This will make the knife sharpening process easier. When both sides have been evenly sharpened, flip the position of the sharpening stone and continue sharpening with the 1000 grit surface. The higher the grit, the smaller the abrasive particles on the surface of the sharpening stone. With each sharpening, pay attention to the condition of the knife blade. When the sharpening angle has become smaller, switch to the 3000 grit sharpening stone and continue sharpening in the same way until the knife blade becomes shiny, with no visible large sharpening marks on the surface and no signs of rolled edges. Finally, switch to the 5000 grit sharpening stone to continue fine sharpening. Sharpen until the sharpening angle becomes very small, almost invisible. Next, clean the surface impurities, then squeeze a little toothpaste into the knife's cutting edge and do the same on the back. Use cotton to evenly spread the toothpaste. Then, prepare a piece of dry cotton pad, remove the outer plastic packaging, and use the metal surface of it to continue sharpening the knife blade. This will make the knife blade even sharper. When all the above steps are completed, clean the toothpaste from the surface, and the job is done. Knives sharpened this way are not only as sharp as daggers, but also very durable. Have you learned it yet? See you in our next daily creative sharing.